Today I'm going to be working on a peach orange smoothie with frozen bananas, frozen bananas and 2 peaches, halved and de-sliced and sliced and ready to use, and including 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 2 dates here. So first put the orange juice in. One half loaf. 2.5 large cups. About 600 to 700 liters. Then next goes the bananas. These are 2 medium-sized bananas, so they go in here like this. Then we add the peaches, which is 2 peaches, which are de-sliced and ready. These are medium peaches, so de-sliced. Are sliced and ready to go. Put them here. Then you add the 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which are here like this, about like this. And the dates to make it sweet. And then you add some ice. About 15 ice cubes. And you close. Start the blender. That's it. So that's 2 minutes. And I use peaches. So I use 2 peaches, sliced and deseeded, and I used 2 dates, large dates, deseeded and sliced, and I used 1 medium banana, also sliced, but it was frozen, so I took it out of the freezer, and I used about 750 milliliters of orange juice. That's up to about a little more, about 3 cups of fresh orange juice, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and that's for the protein, plant-based protein. Well, that's it. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.